Love it. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's fabulous.
No.
It's amazing. It's
Let me say how Vera called her husband to say, if you could only see the other side of this door, we are in the most beautiful, gorgeous place. It's the Ritz-Carlton. So, I mean, it's the Ritz-Carlton. So she's talking to her husband. And were you in a twinge of a bad mood? I mean, what was wrong?
I was trying to get an answer about something, and he kept asking me how the view was.
Okay.
And I was really trying to talk about something that was due.
It was obvious she was annoyed with the questions that he was asking her. So finally, you know, let's just say, and I have to imitate you, okay? So you be him. There's a phone. Just be him.
He was like, yeah, but how's the view? Did you get into the room yet? I mean, how is the place? I heard
it's amazing. It's incredible. It's ridiculous. Like, so in a bad mood about it. Like, that was my favorite. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I was like, there was a lot of oomph in your voice when you said that.
I was like, it's amazing, it's ridiculous, it's incredible.
It's incredible.
I mean, can we talk about the contract? It's amazing, it's ridiculous.
Whatever. So that was, I think that was one of my favorite moments this weekend. Anyway.